Hello Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly career, business and money reading from 30th November to 6th December. Now being a general reading, not all messages might resonate, Sagittarius, so keep whatever resonates. Also in this reading, you get to know what opportunities could present itself this week and what challenges or obstacles you could face in your career, business or money situation so that you can handle it better, Sagittarius. So let's start. Angels and guides, spirits and guides, universe and guides, please guide Sagittarius, career, business, money situation. Angels and guides, spirits and guides. Crisis. Last shuffle, general energies, Aquarius, 30th to 6th December. Spirits and guides, angels and guides, please guide. Okay. So let's start here. The Chariot. Wow, moving forward with Page of Cups. Definitely. The King of Cups. Ten of Wands. Knight of Cups. Awesome. The Hermit. And the Queen of Pentacles. So, the Chariot card, moving forward, success, travel, having your focus right, you have centered your energy positively. That's what I get. So you start reaping the profits, the benefits of your birth month, Sagittarius, with the first card itself here, forward movement, upswing in your career, in your business, in your money situation. This is a card of success. It's a card of forward movement, pushing through the obstacles, very strongly and being successful. That's what I get here. Page of Cups, definitely a news and opportunity presenting itself. But how, there will be opportunities presenting itself, but all will depend on how you utilize it. Because, this Page of Cups is such an opportunity. If you do not be alert and if you're not alert on time, it might just slip away to someone else. So use this opportunity, be alert, and you will see it could be monetary benefits coming with this, or definitely it will add to your work, business and money situation. So it's an opportunity, very good opportunity, but you need to use this well. That's what I get here. King of Cups. So you are very passionate, very creative in your thoughts. That could also be with this Page of Cups, King of Cups, there could be a new romance for you, or you could be in a very romantic mood. Not only romantic, it will be very adventurous. You would try new things in life, being December, your birth month, and also, this is the year ending. So, action-packed week is what I will say. There is projects, there is collaboration, there is travel to distant places, and also you have very vibrant social life, meeting friends, family, get together, going out, holidaying. That's what I get with this card here. So, but at times you will be feeling overburdened with work, but you won't complain. That's what, you will surpass all the expectations that you have from yourself. You will be meeting the targets. That's what I can tell you here. This is like gain. There is a good news. It could be monetary gain coming to you here. It could be, money coming to you from from an opportunity that you utilize well, or from the investments that you made. So sudden this is a card of good news, but I feel somehow this is a card of monetary gain coming to you here from an opportunity that you have utilized, because I see here Page of Cups, King of Cups, Knight of Cups. There are all cups here. So very emotionally you'll be feeling happy, you'll be feeling great here. That's what. With the Hermit card coming, it's a card of do things, be wiser, do things with wisdom, be look within for answers, seeking, soul searching. That's what I get here. At times you could be, I would just like to tell you that, do not become egoistic. because you will achieve something. Life is going to be great. It might hurt feelings of your loved ones, so be wise, seek inner wisdom to deal with relationships, to deal with people with whom you work. That's what I get with the hermit card. Or you might get an enlightenment or sudden awakening also, that's also for some of you here. This is what I get with this card, Queen of Pentacles. So yes, with this realization, maybe with this realization, Queen of Cups is like balancing professional and personal life, taking care of family, taking care of business, also self-care, self-love. So you will also take care of yourself, you will spend on yourself, you will be doing taking time out for yourself, and you will be working hard, meeting your targets, moving forward. That's what I get with this cards here. But very very action packed week. Lot of you will have no time to spare, like spare for yourself, in the sense, one thing after another, after work, friends, party, get together, social events. That's the kind of but you will be in a good mood, you will be very enthusiastic, you will still be very driven, very passionate about your work as well as your social life. You will enjoy a lot. That's what I get here. Also, you will be making some investments with this Queen of Pentacle, in wiser investments, which are tried and tested already. So in banks, fixed deposit, or share market, or farming, you might so money with this Queen of Pentacle and this Page of Cups, there's sudden money coming in. Also money coming in from rental, brokerages, buying, selling of immovable property, from deals, negotiations, farming. So it's a huge aspects that you are getting, Sagis. Very awesome week, that I will say for you. Hectic but enjoyable, hard work but parting hard also. So that kind of a week is there for you. So now let me just pull out an angel guidance card for Sagis. Angel guidance for Sagis. So Dragonfly, live life to the fullest. So that's what you got here. So this is it, live life to the fullest. So this is it. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much and stay blessed.